For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Cops in Karnataka have been working hard to ensure lockdown rules are followed to contain COVID-19. Cases of COVID-19 in Bengaluru are on the rise and the number of cops being infected is also increasing. Police are fighting crime and COVID-19 even as virus is spreading in the force. Commissioner of Police Bhaskar Rao has said that the cops should also look after themselves. Hoysala, Cheetah and Cobra patrolling staff should not enter police stations unnecessarily and must wear masks and use sanitizer. Avoid arresting accused, but if inevitable, the arrest process should be completed outside with permission from ACPs and DCPs. Police inspectors should arrange for wedding halls with hot water and toilet facility to accommodate at least 25 staff. 3 police stations sealed off in the last 24 hours. 20 police stations in Bengaluru have been sealed. Baglur, KP Agrahara, Konankunte, Kalasipalya, Srirampura, JC Nagar, JP Nagar, Wilson Garden, RT Nagar, Byatranpura, Annapurneshwari Nagar, VV Puram. On July 2nd, Baglur, Byatranpura, KP Agrahara and 4 other police stations were sealed off and a total of 28 cops tested positive. On July 3rd, Srirampura, RT Nagar and Konankunte police stations were sealed off after 33 cops tested positive for COVID-19. The traffic cops are the worst affected as they have been maintaining traffic and enforcing government order. Cops in containment zones are at high risk of contracting COVID-19. There are over 450 active zones in Bengaluru and it has burdened cops. Cops in South Zone are the worst affected as cases are increasing with over 100 active zones. 61 cops have tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 48 hours. As on July 4th, there are 197 active cases among cops who have tested positive for COVID-19 and 69 of them have recovered. 5 deaths have also been reported and total number of cops infected with COVID-19 has increased to 271. 217 cops are undergoing treatment at quarantine centers. 279 cops are under home quarantine. Panic among Bengaluru police after several people tested positive attached to Konankunte police station. Random tests were conducted on 30 cops in the police station and 6 of them have tested positive. Cops have been advised to drink hot water, use sanitizer, masks and PPE kits. Cops have been instructed to use technology while making arrests and recovering property and ensure that vehicles are sanitized every day. Officers should get health updates of staffers who test positive and ensure that staff from other parts of Karnataka do not leave Bengaluru.